If Kashmir is considered a paradise, then the picturesque Kupwara district is its crown. Nature has been very kind to Kupwara, as it is full of spectacular and gorgeous valleys and hills, rarely visited by outside tourists and waiting to be explored. As most of these pristine meadows lies close to the Yellow Sea, therefore they are rarely explored, and they used to be the theatres of armed conflict in the divided Himalayan territory. Among the many places of attraction in Kupwara is Bangus Valley, a pristine meadow which lies to its northwestern side at a height of about 10,000 feet, located between the Lipa and Shamashbari mountain ranges. Bangus is famous for its breathtaking scenic beauty, diverse flora and fauna. It is surrounded by dense coniferous forests, alpine meadows, and towering mountains touching the sky. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover its secrets and experience the magic that has been guarded by these lofty mountains for centuries through our lens. This is Buddy Back Dog, a temporary halting abode of pastoralists, the people who migrate to these dogs to escape from the scorching heats of the plains and in search of greener pastures for their livestock.
Jana,
My wife, along with my daughter, are enjoying the zigzaggy ride on these mountains. And my daughter is joyfully uttering uncomprehendable statements.
Gudidi? No, Kunta.
As we are crossing the iron bridge, this mini stream which flows under this bridge is also coming from the Bangus Valley. Its water is crystal clear and very cold. At the moment, we are traversing this zigzaggy mountainous road slowly, because one wrong step can lead us to a death gorge.
Jana, talk to me. Talk to Papa.
The views of the surrounding are amazing, where clouds are dancing over the hills and lofty mountains are kissing the sky. A coniferous forest has sprung out from the Mother Earth, spreading greenery everywhere. A large number of plant species are found here, with Citrus deodara and Pinus longifolia dominating all. This view is amazing, as it appears that everything is at calm with each other. The road on which we are traveling was absent a few years ago, and people had to walk to reach Bangus. But now Bangus is easily accessible, but surely at the cost of environment. These forests are a heaven of biodiversity, a sanctuary where nature thrives in its purest form. These ancient woods and mountains, rich in history and heritage, stand as a silent witness to the passage of time. These forests are a living tapestry, woven with towering deodars, pines, and oak trees. Each tree here tells a tale, a story of endurance, of survival through the harsh winter. These mountains rise like sentinels, watching over the land with silent grace. The mountain ranges, with their imposing peaks and cliffs, dominate the skyline, These mountains, shaped by millennia of natural forces, stand as a testament to the Earth's raw power and beauty.
Jana,
Crystal clear streams crisscross these woods, their waters a lifeline for the myriad form of life that calls this place home. The streams carve path through the landscape, reflecting the deep green of the forest and the blue of the sky above. Life of these people in the mountains is not without its challenges. The people here face harsh winter and limited access to the basic amenities of life and the constant threat of conflict. Yet their resilience is as strong as the mountains that surround them. From snow-capped summits to rugged rock faces, these mountains are a marvel of geological history, carved by glaciers and sculpted by the elements. They tell the story of Earth's ever-changing landscape, a story written in stone and ice.
Jana, Jana. Huh?
These ready-made big pipe cement blocks has been brought here for constructing an under-road water passage. Beneath these towering peaks, the life thrives in abundance. The lower slopes are cloaked in dense forests of pine, cedar, and fir, providing a haven of countless species of flora and fauna. As the altitude rises, the forests give way to alpine meadows, where wildflowers bloom in a riot of color during brief summer months. We're just a few meters away. Yes, this is the entrance of Bangus. Me, with my little cute daughter Jannat Khan, are traversing this beautiful meadow. A big tiffin box in the hand and some eatables on the backpack, and in vigilant care of my daughter, I'm going.
Papa!
My daughter, along with her mother, are beautifully enjoying the enchanting environment of Bangus. The freshness of a strange aroma here
Jana.
is something which we lack in cities.
Kunta, 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 kunta. No kunta.
You must be wondering, what is Kunta? It is actually YouTube cartoons in the babbling language of my daughter. This serene valley is very beautiful, and on the side of this crystal clear stream, we set up our mat to take some rest and relief. The water of this stream is very cold and clean. In the downstream, this is joined by multiple other smaller streams, leading it to a big one.
Go. Papa!
Jana. Mimi को बुलाओ ना बोलो मिमी पापा
Mimi, Papa.
हाँ बोलो मिमी को
My daughter is also feeling the grandeur of nature around her as she is walking in joyfully here and there randomly. She has forcefully taken my goggles and putting it on her mini eyes. It is appearing quite big on her eyes, and she seems to be surprised, looking through the goggles at the vastness of Bangus.
Jana
Banana.
Talk to me. Talk to Papa.
In.
Here are hundreds and hundreds of sheep belonging to the people of dogs, bags, who migrate to this meadow during brief summer months because of various obvious reasons. In excitement, she is joyfully running towards the flock of sheep and trying to hit them, and the docile animals are running away. How submissive and docile these sheep are, who can be scared by a toddler, 1.5-year-old. Here she goes to hit another one sheep, who runs away. No, Janna, no. Come, no. Janna.
Papa.
Oh, gee, Papa.
Di Papa.
Jana mandi.
The. No Papa.
No, Papa.
This beautiful valley is surrounded by forests from all sides, and this small stream flows right from the middle of Bangus. Our little cutie has snatched the phone of her mama and standing on the bank trying to disturb our every moment. Hello Janna. Hello, how are you? She is waving back. These are some of the temporary huts, locally called kothas, of pastoralists, bagwalas, dokwalas, who migrate to these pasture lands during brief summer months so that their livestock could enjoy the abundant grass here. Some local people here are offering horse rides here from one corner of Bangus to the other, and in this way earning their livelihood also. Some random shots with my pretty wife. We are on the way to Bad Bangus, as there are two Bangses. One is Look at Bangus and the other is Bad Bangus, meaning Big Bangus, connected to the small Bangus by a narrow meadow of about 400 to 700 meter wide, as can be seen here. Just below the tree line, a line of soil can be seen without greenery, and it is a newly constructed road. My daughter Jannat Khan is here, totally lost in the serene environment of this natural wonder. And she is still not giving the phone of her mother.
Papa tuna. Papa.
Oh, may lagay to rito, Papa. Oh, gee, Papa.
There in the distance, on the foothills of that ridge, is a bag, a dog, belonging to the people of Karna, Kupwara and Hindwara. Some tourists have pitched tent here to spend the night. Although Bangus is not fully explored by national and international tourists, but still its fragile ecology has been disturbed, as we have noticed a lot of trash lying here and there in its entire length and breadth. And I think that cleanliness drives should be carried out by tourism department in collaboration with local people in order to clean the entire non-biodegradable trash. Otherwise, it will be too late and we would not be able to hand over this natural paradise to our next generation intactly. Beyond the natural allure of Bangus, it is a melting pot of culture and traditions. The local Gujjar, Bakarwal, and Pahadi people have lived in harmony with nature for centuries, preserving their age old custom and ways of life. The semi nomadic people migrate with the seasons. Their lives intertwine with the rhythm of the land. Their folk songs and stories echo through the valleys, narrating the tales of their ancestors, their struggles, and their joys. If you can see here carefully, you'll find a lot of fallen trees rotting here. These trees of pine, deodar, fell during extreme winter season due to the accumulation of huge snow over them or during snow avalanches. These trees will rot here as they cannot be taken to the market of timber and kindling wood. In recent years, Bangus Valley has started to attract the attention of the adventure seekers and nature lovers. Trekkers, campers, and anglers are drawn to its untouched beauty and the promise of an escape into the wilderness. My daughter is very fond of being on my shoulders. She is waving towards her mama. She is too little to put her inside a absorbing balloon. That is why I am standing by her side for clicking some random shots. She seems to be appearing scared. Jana, don't worry, Jana, I'm here. Papa is here with you. Don't worry.
Jana.
हाँ दाना हाँ पापा
जी पापा
जी पापा
Oil laging.
This is the magic spell and charm these lofty mountains and meadows are holding from the time immemorial. Even small kids become uncontrollable in the joy of nature and the Mother Earth.
Okay.
Bye.
Some moments of closeness with wife near the whispering water of this stream. Despite its growing popularity, Bangus remained largely unexplored, offering a rare opportunity to experience nature in its most unspoiled form. Whether it is the thrill of trekking through its rugged terrain or the peace found in its quiet corners, Bangus has something to offer for all. Going to the furthest end of Bangus was a task proving challenging for us as we were running out of time. As our trip was only for the day and we have to reach back at the entrance in order to return back for home as it was getting dark. Therefore, we were not able to traverse this entire vastness of Bangus as seen in the zoomed video. To cut the long story short, Bangus is more than just a destination. It is a journey into the heart of nature, a place where time stands still and soul finds peace. As we leave this valley behind, we take with us the memories of its untouched beauty and the eternal songs of its mountains and rivers.